So last 30 days conversions 209, phone calls 28, per day ad spend $70, deals closed 25%. Good. Niche is the construction niche in New York. Okay. Any recommendations how I can optimize this campaign further? So what do you would like to do? Increase the conversions or phone calls or the ad spend or the deals close is at the client end or your end. Google can't close your deals for you. So to optimize it, you can look at that even. Let's go take our closing from 25 to 30% or 35%. That is going to give you higher ROI. Um, you're getting these conversions, and then you have got some data over here. I would look at that and say, okay, in this campaign, I've got 147 conversions at $6.04, 20 leads over here at 1286, and 35 conversions at 1678. So this is the most expensive one. Now, what is your target cost per acquisition? That's what you want to ask yourself. If your target CPA is, let's say, $10, then you keep on increasing this. You don't need to optimize. Google is already giving you a great number of conversions at a good price. Don't touch anything. Just keep on increasing the budget by 15, 20% every few days and spend as much time, as much money as you can. Obviously, you need to ask your client if that is your client account and cut out all the wasted ones or the most expensive ones. That's what we do. If I'm paying almost double, more than double over here in this campaign, why should I do that? Because this is a smart campaign. These two are the display, and you're getting good conversions. And the beauty with display and YouTube is scalability. You can really scale. There's unlimited traffic on there. You give Google, you know, $500,000, $2,000 a day, and Google is going to spend it and get you the results. So I would definitely, for sure, start to scale this. I would not look at optimizing it further unless there are placements where you can see lots of budget is being wasted. But just keep, slowly increasing the budget and stopping the expensive campaigns. And this is where a lot of people also overthink and overcomplicate about optimization, because if you can get more conversions over here at $604 and you increase your deals close to 30%, then your cost per acquisition comes down quite a bit. And also, are you limited by budget? That's the first thing. Because if I'm getting 147 conversions, I'm not sure what the date range is, and you're limited by budget, I wouldn't want to be limited by budget on this, because $6 leads, and if they are good quality leads, is pretty good. So well done.